Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if Adobe Acrobat Reader once installed or keeps showing installation failed or Adobe Acrobat Reader couldn't open in 2026, don't worry. These errors are usually caused by corrupted Adobe files, Windows permissions, outdated installers, antivirus interference, or damaged program components. So the good news, most Adobe Reader problems can be fixed in just a few minutes. So below the steps that I will show you are the most effective solutions for both installation and launch errors. So first thing, restart your computer first. So before trying anything advanced, save your work, restart your computer, try installer or opening Adobe Reader again, clears temporary processes, releases locked files. So this simple fix solves many installation failures. Okay, you can also download a fresh Adobe installer. Like old or corrupted installer frequently cause problems. Like go to Adobe's official website, download the latest Adobe Acrobat Reader installer, delete the old installer, run the new installer. So prevents corrupted installation files, so ensures compatibility with the latest Windows updates. Never use third-party download sites. You can also run the installer as administrator, like Windows permissions can block installation. Click or right click the Adobe installer, select run as administrator and click yes when prompted. So it gives the installer full system access. It fixes many installation failed errors. Okay, so this is one of the most common solutions. So that's it, guys. This is how to solve installation failed or Adobe Acrobat Reader couldn't open. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.